This tutorial review will show you how to adjust or change audio volume in Premiere Pro. First of all, select the audio clip and go to Effect Control, and here you will find Level option. Disable this toggle animation. Next to Level and click on this value, and to increase your audio volume, give here higher value. The max value is 6. Select here 6 dB to increase the audio volume, and to decrease the volume, decrease the value from here. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Tutorial River. See you in the next video.